one friend. You will have time to do this.
So today I don't see you. Now me we don't day here since 8 o'clock. What is called my how do you cover that?
No, from back rotting.
On January 1st, 2024, at about 010 hours, operatives of Lagos State Command, upon credible intelligence concerning activities of some hoodlums terrorizing the Ikorodu and its environs, swung into action and arrested one Balogun Tola, aka 50 and age 35, Tunde Oladipo, male, age 43, Rasa Ridwan, male, age 27, and Abimbola Aro, male, age 29, in connection with court-related activities. The following items were recovered from them: 3 English double-barrel gun, 1 pump-action rifle, 1 Reigning Model 700 rifle, 1 locally made pistol, 74 rounds of live ammunition, 68 rounds of cartridges, 1 Beretta pistol magazine, 4 axes, 3 daggers, and 5 cutlasses. From this recovery, you can see that these people are more than cultists. They are not different from armed robbers. They can even take over a village, a town, with the kind of arms and ammunition recovered from them. The second breakthrough we made is another case of robbery and unlawful possession of firearms. On January 11, 2024, at about 21:30 hours, operative of the command arrested one Idowu Yunusa, male, age 25, who was seen attacking with intent to rob a passerby around Igodo. A locally made shotgun was recovered from him. Another one, we have many of them, but I'll just mention like 3 or 4 so that I don't take too much of your time. Unlawful possession of firearms. On January 11, 2024, at about 15:30 hours, operative of the command arrested one Damilola Otunride, male, age 36, who was seen loitering around Mile 12 area. 1 locally fabricated Beretta pistol with 1 live ammunition was recovered from him. He is suspected to be a member of an armed robbery gang. The same thing on another one on January 11, 2024, at about 15:00 hours. Officers of the command arrested one Rilwan Karim, male, Adejumo Noah, male, Oluwade Dade Oluwasegun, male, and Babatunde Raid, male, who were stopped and searched based on their suspicious movements within Aguda area. 1 locally fabricated double-barrel gun was recovered from them. Then we have another case of conspiracy, armed robbery, and recovery of arms. Operative of the Lagos State Command arrested one Tohib Oyekunle, Victor Jimo, and Samuel Okolawon, Shegun Babatunde, and Pelumi Ajuloye, male, Ibrahim Mohammed Ibrahim, male, and Bello Ahmed, male, in connection with the invasion that took place at Ijushaga area of the state, where the suspect snatched AK-47 rifle from a police officer. This suspect confessed to the crime and other criminal activities within Lagos and environ. 1 cut-to-size AK-47 was recovered from them. Further to this, another traffic robber was arrested, one on January 16, 2024, at about 17:30 hours. Operative of the command arrested one Lukman Ojo, male, age 25, around Ojota area. The suspect dispossesses the complainants of their properties, including driver's license, ATM card, phones which he used to make bank transfer and obtain loans. We have it on record too that within this period, we have been able to enforce the ban on Okada in prohibited areas. We've been able to impound 1,050 motorcycles were impounded, and they will all be crushed. When we are crushing it, we will let you know the time of crushing so that you can cover it. Then we have a suspected cultist also arrested. On credible intelligence, some group of boys suspected to be members of the confraternity were planning to retaliate their leader's state on other rival court members in Ayobo area of the command. The command dispatched men to the area where one Mukaila, Kodri, Adedoyin Aziz, Olayinka Ayodele, Orefunwa Olamide, Olabode Idowu, male, and Anu Oluwapo Ojo were apprehended in possession of one Beretta pistol with 2 cartridges. We have all this. I will just give you a summary of our recovery within this period. We recovered a total of 16 firearms, including a toy pistol, 72 live cartridges, 75 live ammunition, 1 expended cartridge, 1 pistol magazine, 6 axes, 4 daggers, 5 cutlasses, 2 vehicles, 1 POS machine, fake vehicle registration plates, and various charms. Assorted charms were recovered from them. We will take you around to see them as after the press briefing. Like I promised in my maiden speech, that I will be giving security tips to residents of Lagos. I have some of the tips for your consumption so that you help us to broadcast it. Number one of the tip is that some of our residents, they talk very loud about their business transactions and other things that has to do with carrying money and checks. Here we said we should avoid talking about large sum of money and transaction while in the public. Let it be discreet. Don't let the next person to you hear, because the moment he hears, you don't know what the next thing is going to do. Number 2, except where absolutely necessary, avoid carrying ATM cards, expensive phone and devices in public or crowded places. If you have to attend a function with a large crowd, I think it's better you keep those items safe somewhere, or you don't bring it to that crowded event. Always arm yourself with relevant emergency number, including that of your DPO nearest to you. You need to have your DPO's number. You need to know your DPO. Very, very important. Familiarize yourself so that when anything is happening, the next person you call is your DPO. If it doesn't pick, we have other dedicated numbers that you can call, so that when you call, we can make a response, quick one, because our response time, like I said, is going to be very quick and fast. The military, our suspect there, in military uniform, they are not soldiers. They just use military camouflage. The offense they committed is simple. It's conspiracy suspected, armed robbery, and cultism. They were arrested on the 12th of January, and it is even the army that assisted us in arresting them. They are from the headquarters of 9th Brigade of the Nigerian Army. And they were handed over to us, and their names are Fatai Ajayi, 25 years, Solomon Kamaldin, 28 years, Kenneth Danladi, 29 years, Etuk Ayanime, 28 years, Damilola Ojerinde, age 36. They were found with 1 locally fabricated Beretta pistol with 1 live 9mm ammunition. So they are not soldiers, they are just camouflaging in military uniform. These are what we recovered. You can see this gun is with telescopic sight, so you can get to the target, shoot to target. This is what they are carrying.
What's the name of this one? That gun.
700.
I have it written in the brief.
Okay. This was recovered from this 419. They have been duping people.
I hope it's not from Igbo, sir. No, it's from Badagry. It's from Oshun. It's Badagri.
It's not from Badagri. Look at the AK-47. We recovered this from a gang of cultists. I think they are armed robbers. I don't see them. What are they doing? And with the ATM machine. So they have been robbing. Innocent residents. They have had pistol, Beretta pistol, another pistol. Plate number. This is AK-47. We recover. This is another AK.
How do you confirm this plate number is fake? It looks like
there's a way we can confirm. So the office are
Are you faking it?
No, they don't belong to me.
That's all. Thank you very much.
Then look at assorted chap. So, thank you very much.
Yeah, please.